Hi there, hello, welcome to GVisionMedia. In this video we are going to see unboxing of solar lamp with a motion sensor control in that, which can be used for your home, garden and all the outdoor areas at your home and garden. This is a very useful product and it is using the natural energy, the solar energy, to store and convert into light energy. So it's very eco-friendly and it's a power saver as well. Definitely you will find this product very useful. Let us get into the video. Unboxing the solar lamp for your home, garden and outdoor needs. This solar lamp has got a very good solar panel and it has got LED bulbs on 4 sides, and these lights are used to save energy, and it is more powerful luminous as well, and it covers wider area as well. So it is also equipped with a strong PIR motion sensor, and it also works in 3 different modes, which will help you to adjust yourself to suit your need. Let us first do the unboxing of the solar lamp. We will also see what are the specifications of this product, and we will also get into the different modes, how to set each of these modes and how the motion sensor behaves as well. We bought this product via Amazon. You can check the description below to find the link for buying this product. The unboxing of the solar lamp. It comes in the standard bubble wrap Amazon packing. So let's now cut open and then see what are the various things inside this package. The solar lamp is now in the standard carton box. That's the bill from Amazon. It's 350 Indian rupees. Let's see what's inside this box. The box is not so great, but it's a normal packing. Again, the solar lamp is again bubble wrapped to prevent from damages. We have got the specification as well as the mounting screws. So these are the specifications and the user manual for this solar lamp. So let's look at the specification and the user manual in detail later in the video. Stay tuned. So this is a solar lamp. It is not very heavy, it is very light. The solar lamp is completely different in shape. It has got 5 sides. On the 4 sides there are 100 set of LEDs in total. On the other side there is a solar panel. So the overall package is very much simple. It has got only 3 things inside it. 1, the solar lamp. 2, the mounting screws, and the user manual and the specification together. We will have a look at how the solar lamp works and what are the various modes in this later in the video. But right now let us look at the specification of this product in detail. The model is 100 LED, output is 5.5 volt or 1 watt. Battery capacity is 1800 milliamps. The angle of sensor is 120 degree. Induction distance is 3 to 5 meters. Brightness is 600 to 700 luminous. The total number of LEDs is 100 plus. Before the product is put to use for the first time, it should be exposed to the direct sunlight. So let us place the product in the place with sufficient sunlight for charging. The product should be used after being charged for several hours. Let us take this product to the terrace now, so that the solar panel absorbs the radiation and starts charging the battery which is inside this product. So let us do the first time charging and taking it to the terrace. The sun is too hot, it is midday. It's almost above the head, 90 degrees. I'm placing it in such a way where they can get the direct sunlight. So the solar panel is now getting completely exposed to the direct sunlight. So this will quickly charge the battery. So let's leave it here for an hour. Let's come back. Let us now look at the various mode of operations that are available. The three different modes are sensor mode, continuous mode, which is a dim mode, and a dim plus a sensor mode, which is the recommended mode. You can just note down where the push button and the sensors are as well. There is only one push button present on the front side of this product. So the same button is used to choose the multiple different modes. The PIR motion sensor is just located above the push button, which covers 360 degrees of motion detection. So let us now go back to the terrace and pick up the product. They should have charged fully by now. So let us see what are the various modes and how these modes can be activated and how do they work. First, do a long press for 1 second to enter mode. This is the first mode, the sensor mode or the human body induction mode. The lamp will be on when people come and the lamp will be off after the people have left. It will be there for 15 seconds in on mode. So any motion detection that takes place is detected and this mode is activated. It is almost 15 seconds now, it should go off. Yeah, there you go. The second mode is the continuous mode or the human body interaction slide mode. Push the button again to enter into that mode. In this mode, the light will be slightly on forever and it will be there in a dim light. So look at that, it looks amazing, isn't it? All the 100 LEDs glowing, it's very slightly lit and it looks amazing as well. The luminescence is very good. To enter into the third mode, push the button again. This is the dim and the sensor mode. The light will be in the dim mode until it detects any motion. As soon as it detects the motion, it will turn back into a bright light. This is the recommended mode. Let us now test the sensitivity of the PIR sensor. In order to simulate this, I place this product into a corner where there is a very dark light or very less light. As soon as anyone approaches the lamp, the sensor detects it and then the lamp glows. And after 15 seconds, the light goes off again, and after the motion detection again the light glows in. So it works perfectly. I have tested it multiple times. This is very good. Let us now look at some of the advantages of using solar lamps and solar energy. Solar is a safe alternative which can replace current fossil fuels like coal and gas for generation of electricity that produce air, water and land pollution. So we can avoid pollution by using solar energy. No greenhouse gas effect emissions are released into the atmosphere when you use the solar panels to create the electricity. Solar energy does not generate waste or it does not contaminate any water. So it is a very important and extremely important factor in today's world. The last one, the sun is free. It's a sustainable, clean resource we can leverage in the places in place of the conventional electricity to produce power. Hope you like this product. So let us start moving towards using solar energy based products to create a clean, safer, eco-friendly environment around us. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. You can share this video with friends, families and relatives as well. Do click the logo to subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned to GVisionMedia. Thank you very much.